best online shopping application around the world, and we should be in a quick guide on how to use it so you can shop too. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and there's quite a lot of things you can purchase, a lot of things. So we're just gonna put it in all option. You can search for women's stuff, jewelry, phones, everything, electronics. You can go at the top here with see the category section. You can scroll across electronics section here, phone cases, phone, pretty much anything. And you can tap at the top here and search for anything you want. Also, you can tap on this picture icon or camera icon and take a picture of that item, and it will search the application if they can find a similar application similar item which you can buy on it. And that's pretty much it. Very, very simple. Now, it also depends on how you're gonna get the item. If you're in the USA, it's gonna be much more easier. But if you're in Caribbean countries or any other country, you're gonna need to receive the product via carrier services over in your country that offer shipping and so forth. So if we go in the main section here, you can pretty much go into settings. Once you go into settings, you can add your address. So once you go in this information, you're going to need to sign in and so forth, but you're going to need to sign up with a carrier service in your location so you can pretty much get your packages. So they will get it in the USA, and then it will ship it straight to your country, and then to you, you can go pick it up at one of their available locations. So that's it. And here you have the payment option, which pretty much meaning you add in your, how you're going to pay them for a product with your credit card and anything like that. PayPal, they do take PayPal as well, so you can use that. Here, you can check all your orders, so the order section here. So I'm going to sign in real quick. So in my order section, pretty much we'll see all the orders. You have the unpaid, the processing, the ship, and everything. You can leave a review for the products that you order. Let's say I've returned a product, you will see it here in the return section. And you can also search either the product order number or the product name that you have ordered. So that's pretty much it for that there. And down here you can also follow these stores. So let's say, for example, this store that is selling this dress here, you can scroll down a bit. Give me a minute here. You can scroll down a bit and find a store that is selling the dress. Here is the store that is selling the dress, and if you tap on it, you can pretty much see other stuff that they're selling on their page. So here, quite a lot of stuff they're selling, as you can see. And yes, quite a lot of stuff. And you can also go ahead and give them a follow. You can also go ahead and search in your store. So you can go ahead and give them a follow if you want more updates on what they're selling. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I go in the cart section, this is pretty much where you add stuff to your cart. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go in the shopping section here. I'm going to type in the phone screen option here. And this icon with the cart and the plus icon beside of it, that is pretty much where you go to add your carts, add stuff to your cart. So once the stuff is added to your cart, and you can select the amount or the color and the size or what you want, whichever device you're gonna buy the phone's protector for, you just select that. So it depends on the item that you're purchasing. So once you're in the cart, you can tap on the cart icon there, and as you can see here, you can see everything within your cart. Now, let's say you don't want something in your cart, you can tap on the delete icon here, and it will pretty much delete that item out of your cart. Now, if you want to delete all of them at once, just tap on the all option at the top there, and then you tap on the three dots here, manage apps, and then tap on all again, and tap on delete here. Or you can move them to your wish list, whichever one you choose. If you just want to delete one, I've already shown you, just select the one that you want to delete, tap on the pin icon over here, and delete that item. So let's say I've selected the item that you want to buy or purchase. You just select them and select these ones here, and tap on checkout. Tap on checkout, you'll be prompt to add your shipping address. Do make sure you add the address that you can receive the packages. If you're not in the US, you're going to need to add the address where you can receive your packages. So do keep that in mind. So that's pretty much it for the application. Very, very good shopping application, and I would recommend it to anyone. It's the most used shopping application around the world. So also you're gonna see the trending section here that everyone's buying. So you can also follow the stores and so forth. But that's really pretty much it. And if I missed anything, you have any question you want to ask, feel free to comment below. I would gladly love to help you out. And without it, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.